Hi guys, it's Angela Harless, DNP F&P. I promised in my last video I would share with you guys what resources I use, and I will show you what I'm going to use them for. In my last video, I showed you the Pocket Medicine internal medicine guide. It is super good for F&Ps in the hospital. It's straight to the point. They also have one for ICU and ER as well, if those are two specialty areas that you will end up in. Also, there is the Instant Access Hospital Admission book, and it is by McGraw-Hill. So you see the price there, but it is well worth it if you're going to be doing admissions at all, just to get you started. It lays everything out in like a 1 to 2 page synopsis of what do you do with, let's say, a chest pain workup, and then it'll kind of list everything out. Okay, EKG now and then in 6 hours, 3 troponins to trend, those out. It'll help you decide whether to consult cardiology. It's super good. I love this book. And it's, like I said, it's very straight and to the point. I know a lot of MDs that actually use this book as well for admissions, so just FYI on that one. Another one, if you're going to be doing ventilator management, this is probably the best book that I have seen for things like that. The ventilator book. So it will kind of break everything down to you. Like, okay, well, when do you need to put somebody on the ventilator? When do you need to put somebody on BiPAP? What do you look for? How do you manage the ventilator as a provider? So I think this one's really good. It's only 21 bucks. And then if you have the Kindle Unlimited, it is absolutely free, and it is well worth it. Another one that I like is the Little Black Book of Hospital Medicine. Okay, so it is $90, but it kind of breaks everything down. So it kind of takes things from this book here, so your Pocket Medicine, that's your brief reference, and it breaks it down into, why do we order these things, in situations like that. So I like it a little bit better. It's a little bit more explanatory, but it is a little bit of a thicker book. So I don't bring it to work with me, but I always look at it when I get home. It's very good. This is the latest version of it. They do have an older one, and I assume that it's still pretty good. So you see that it's January 2010. It's still pretty up to date for the most part. I've not seen very many discrepancies at all. Okay, another book that I really like is the Acute and Critical Care Nurse Practitioner, Cases in Diagnostic Reasoning. The reason I like this book is because it will show you a situation. So it'll tell you exactly, like, okay, patient presents with XYZ, and then it'll take you through the thought of the nurse practitioner and why they ordered what they ordered, clinical scenarios, step by step. It is absolutely awesome. This book is great. Even if you're going to be a critical care NP, I definitely recommend this book. All right, another thing that I really like, and you guys may or may not already use these videos here on YouTube, is MedCram. So if you are, coming into this and you're like, okay, well, I don't really know what, what drip to start somebody on, what pressor do I need, the MedCram videos will really, really help you. And they're very straight and to the point and very easy to understand.